Hello everyone, welcome back to another watching. Today we're going to do a quick package opening from Spinnaker. Now you can actually see I'm wearing my Spinnaker Bradner right now, and I have another box opening from Spinnaker after this one. Now they had recently started selling straps, and they asked if they could send me some. I have no clue what straps they sent me, how many they sent me. I can tell you that their straps start out around $40 for one that they have called a Seatbelt nylon strap. And then there's some rubber straps in the $50 range, leather up into the $85, rubber leather hybrid straps, and those are in the $70 range, and they have mesh bracelets around the $80 range. So let's get this opened up and see. I mean, it feels like there's probably just one strap in here, but I'm not complaining because they wanted to send me one to check out. But maybe there's more. Let's see what we got. If I could open the plastic, would be great. All right. Kind of a nice little bag for it. Made in Italy. Let's see what we got in here. So there's the number on this one, SP Strap 22. Well, I can say they definitely packaged it well. Ooh. Ooh, I actually kind of like that. Similar to the leather I've got on. This one's red, obviously, but I like their straps. They're nice, thick. This one's got quick release. Handmade in Italy. So this leather strap on their site actually runs $85. Let me see. I don't think that this Bradner had quick release. So the straps on the Bradner right now don't have quick release, and you can see looks like these ones are probably a 20 millimeter and this is probably a 22. Now I do also have some other models from Spinnaker that may take, I actually had one sitting here, the Wreck, that may take the 22. So maybe on the Wreck we'll play around with it. Not sure how that off brown will look in comparison to the crazy green. I actually like that green one, but definitely an option. And you know, sometimes going to the manufacturer for a strap, well, all the time, it's clearly more expensive, but it is nice to have one that was made specific for the watch you're playing with. You know, some of the cheaper straps might be nice, but the hardware might not quite match as the way you would like. I don't know. Pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think of that one. Like I said, maybe I'll throw it on the Wreck when I do the follow-up on the Wreck, just to see a different option on it. Let me know what you guys think of that one in the comments below. Stay tuned. I've got another box opening from Spinnaker coming up next.